countries, but you share your commitment and compassion, no, to our people and country. Ganun lang yan. At it is indeed, I am grateful. People from different regions, cultures, character, and belief join together in this endeavor of the One Ganap Guardians Brotherhood. There are many brotherhood and other social civic organizations existing in our society, but some of them fail to exist because they don't want to coexist. Ibig ko sabihin, yung iba, sumasali lang para makilala lang, atawag lang, but they don't have that commitment and passion. Okay? Yung iba naman, kahit na nasa abroad, tulad ni Bro Outer Delta, no? They come in to show their way of their commitment to the people. So, nakakatuwa, no? We come together across the land. So, from Pagudpud to Bicol, and we see each other shaking our hands, rubbing our elbows. Pantay-pantay tayo. I might be appointed as your Supreme Godfather advisor, but we are co-equal. Without you, we cannot implement things that what we wanted to do for our people. Lahat tayo dito importante. Hindi lang si founder, si chairman, ako, kayo rin. Maliit man yung inyong gawain, malaki rin yan para sa ating lahat. So, without you, the One Ganap Guardians Brotherhood will not become whole as one. Eh, sana, kung meron po tayong makitang konting diferensya because we have different cultures, different languages, different dialects, unawain na lang natin. Ang pag-itingin natin, yung ating adhikain para sa Diyos at bayan. Okay? So, ako po ay instrumento lamang. Kung kinakailangan na pagbigay ng inspirasyon sa inyo at may inspiration kayo na tayo ay manatiling isang disiplinado at mapagmahal na mamayang Pilipino sa ating bayan, mamamayan at bansa. Mabuhay ang One Ganap!
One Ganap!
Maraming salamat.